Hi everyone, today I'm going to draw an object from using imperial measurements. The first step is we have to convert measurements from inches to feet. And our object is 16 feet and 5 inches and 9 feet 8 inches. First we have to convert this into scale. So let's see how we can convert it. In here the 16 feet is already in feet, so we don't need to convert it into inches. So we can directly convert it into scale. So we can multiply it by 3/4 and the answer is 12. Then 5 we have to convert it into feet. So we will divide it by 12 and then we have to multiply it with the scale and it will become 5/16. Then we have to add this 12 and 5/16 together to get the final answer. It's 12 5/16. Then we will move to the next side. It means 9 feet and 8 inch. 9 feet again we don't need to convert into inches, feet. So we can directly multiply it with the scale and the answer is 27 divided by 4. Then 8 we have to convert it to feet. So we divided it by 12 and 8 divided by 12 feet and multiplied by the scale and the answer is half. Then we have to add these two numbers together as we did earlier. So 27 divided by 4 plus half equal 29 divided by 4. It means 7 and quarter, the mixed number. By using these answers we can draw our scale. For that we have to put our final answer in a box to draw it. Okay, now we will move into the fourth step and we are going to draw and label the object. For that we need the ruler, and in this ruler it has divided into 1/32 or 1/16. Here in 1 inch is divided into 1/16 and here it has divided into 1/32. So we can measure up to 1/32 by using this ruler. In our question we have to draw 12 and 5/16. So I am going to draw 12 and 5/16 here. First we keep the ruler here and we will count up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 inches up to here and 5/16. 5/16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to here. 12 and 5/16. We will draw it. And the other side, it's 7 and 1/4. We will draw 7 first. And 1/4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1/4 means it's only here up to here. 1/4. And we can draw the full drawing. 7 and 1/4. write the measurements. In this side it's 16 feet and 5 inch. This side it's 9 feet and 8 inches. After that, we have to write the scale in the bottom. Our scale is 3/4 inches equal 1 feet. Thank you.